morning. Today we are going to study that how we can practically understand how to answer for the questions of yes, no, not given or true, false, not given question type. Now you did 2-3 exercises on true, false, not given questions, and we understood that it is a little bit challenging section for the IELTS reading. So today, through this small passage and few statements here, I want to teach you that how we are going to make a best judgment of true, false, not given or yes, no, not given questions. So that is our idea. You can see my passage in red color. So this is not a long passage like IELTS, it's a short passage. So we'll see that, look at this passage and we'll decide whether those 7 statements are true, false or not given. Now first look at the passage. Agriculture is considered as one of the most important section, of the economy of any country. Now understand, clearly understand what passage says. Agriculture is considered as one of the most important section of the economy of any country. It plays a key role to provide food to the growing populations. What is the role of the agriculture? So it plays a key role to provide food to the growing populations. Food to the growing populations. Application of modern agricultural practices. Application of modern agricultural practices make massive contribution. So food for growing populations. Application of modern agricultural practices make massive contribution. Very serious concern about that kind of words. Massive contribution to address rising food needs, increasing food needs in the world. However, we should not forget the importance of traditional underutilized crops. Traditional, sampradayika, underutilized, underutilized crops to feed the world. Now look at the statement. What does the first statement say? Agriculture is a vital part of a country's economy. Agriculture is a vital part of a country's economy. Is it true or false or not given according to this passage? Agriculture is a vital part of a country's economy. True or false or not given? Yes? True. Yes. This is true. Why this is true? It's very clearly said. Agriculture is considered as one of the most important section of the economy of any country. Most important section. If agriculture is a most important section of the economy, same thing, no? Agriculture is a vital part of a country's economy. Vital part. It's very important. Then what you can understand? What passage says and what this statement says exactly same. If exactly same, what's your answer? True. If exactly same, your answer should be true. Clear? Right. Look at the second one. Industry and service sectors are equally important as agriculture. Industry and service sectors are equally important as agriculture. You know, any country's economy, we have agriculture sector, industrial sector, karmanta, and service sector, seva. Now what this statement says? Industry and service sectors are equally important as agriculture. Is it true or false or not given? Is it true or false or not given? What is your idea? about second statement. Industry and service sectors are equally important as agriculture. Is it true or false or not given? Yes, Ishan. Yes? False. Not given. Yes. I'm just asking from you two about your opinion. False. Not given. You see, if you know about economy, we know industry and service sectors also equally important as agriculture. අපි දන්නවා එහෙම තමයි ඇත්ත කතාව. නමුත් අපේ දැනුම අනුව මේ උත්තර ලියන්නේ no. We have to answer based on the passage. මේ passage එකේ මේක no. මේක මෙහෙම නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ කොහෙද කියලා තියෙනවා. මේක කතාවක් මේ කොහෙද තියෙනවා. Is there anywhere in this red color passage something about this? Industry and service sectors are equally important. Oh, no, මොකක්ද තියෙනවද මේ කතාව? නෑ. එහෙම දෙයක් නෑනේ. ඒ industries and service ගැන මොකද කියලා නෑ. එහෙනම් what is the answer? Not given. It is not given. Please understand. It is not given. It is not given. Don't mix up sometimes your knowledge and what passage. Your knowledge එක නෙමෙයි උත්තර දෙන්නේ. අපේ knowledge එකට උත්තර දෙන්න බෑ. මේ උත්තර දෙන්නේ මොකක් අනුවද? According to passage. This kind of thing not mentioned anywhere of this passage. මේ passage එක කොහොමද මේ විදිහට සඳහන් කරලා නැහැ. එහෙනම් answer එක මොකද්ද? Not given. දැන් තේරුණා නිසා. No නෙමෙයි මොකද්ද? Not given. That your judgment is correct. Right. Next one. Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. Food security. Food security. That's important word. Ahara surakshitatav. Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. The statement says agriculture can't ensure food security of people. Is it true or false or not given? Yes. Yes. Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. What do you think? What is your answer? Yes? No. True. True. Yes? Yes? True or false or not given? What this statement says? It means agriculture. It plays a key role to provide food to growing populations. It plays a key role to provide food to growing populations. එහෙනම් මේක agriculture can't ensure food security of people. True or false or not? What do you think? Yes. This is false. This is false. මේ වැරදි කතාවක් කියන්නේ. Hey, it says it plays a key role to provide food to the growing population. Agriculture key role. ප්‍රධාන භූමිකාව රඟදක්වනවලු මොකටද? To provide food to the growing populations. වර්ධනය වෙන ජනගහනට ආහාර සපයන්න. ඒ වර්ධනය ජනගහනට ආහාර සැපීමේ ප්‍රධාන කාර්යභාරය කරන කවුද? Agriculture කියලා මෙතන කියනවා. මෙතන මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? Agriculture can't ensure food security of people. Agriculture මිනිසුන්ගේ ආහාර සුරක්ෂිතතාව තහවුරු කරන්න බෑ කියලා කියනවා. එහෙනම් මේ කියන කතාව මෙතන කතාවත් එක්ක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම contradictory. Completely opposite. Then this wrong. It's false. It falls. Can you understand? Understand this. Understand. That's very important. Now look at the fourth one. Modern agriculture has shown lower support to the world food supply. Modern agriculture has shown lower support to the world food supply. ලෝක ආහාර සැපයීමට අඩු දායකත්වයක් අඩු සපෝට් එකක් modern agriculture has shown. Is it true, false or not? Tell me, it is true, false or not given? See? Lower support. Is false. Yes, it false. Why it is false? You see here, application of modern agriculture practices make massive contribution. Make massive contribution. The massive contribution කරා කියලා මෙතන කියන්නේ මෙතන මොකද මේ කියන පිස්සු කතාව. මෙතන කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Modern agriculture has shown lower support. බොහොම අඩු support එකක් දීලා. එහෙනම් මේ කියන කතාවයි මේකයි completely contradictory. So then what's the answer is false. Now look at the next one. Modern crops and traditional crops are equally important. Modern crops and traditional crops are equally important. අපි බලන අලුත් crops වර්ග. Modern crops. Just think about new rice varieties, new food crops, new fruit crops. වගේම traditional crops. බලන්න traditional crops කුරක්කම් මිනේරි තලයි වගේ දේවල්. මට ඒවට ප්‍රතිචාරය. හරි. ඒ වගේ දේවල් equally important. එක වගේම වැදගත්. එක වගේම වැදගත් කියලා. Is it true or is it false or is it not given according to passage? Just forget your knowledge. දැන් මම මගේ දැන් උත්තර ලියනකොට මට මෙන්න වෙන උත්තරය මෙතන එන්නේ. මගේ ඇග්‍රිකල්චර් දැනුවත් එක මම මෙතන ලිව්වොත් මම ලියන වෙන උත්තරය. මම ලියනවා මේ passage එකට අනුව. Passage එකට අනුව true or false or not given. Yes, Ishan? Not given. Not given. It is not given. මේ කතාවක් කොහොමද මේ කියන්නේ? මේ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? However, we should not forget the importance of the traditional unutilized crops. Traditional unutilized crops අපිට අමතක කරන්න එපා කියලා කියලා තියෙනවා. මේක equally important කියලා කතාව මෙතන කියලා නැත. And not mentioned anywhere. So if this idea not mentioned here, then answer is not. Answer is not. Look at the next one. World failed to think about unutilized crops to increase global food security. World failed. ලෝකේ අසමත් වුණාලු. World failed to think about unutilized crops. අඩුවෙන් භාවිතා වන භෝග ගැන, ඒ කියන්නේ කුරක්කම් මිනිලි වගේ දේවල් ගැන හිතන්නේ ලෝකේ අසමත් වුණාලු to increase global food supply. ලෝක ආහාර සැපයුම වැඩි කරන්නේ ඒ භෝග ගැන ලෝකෙ හිතුවේ නැල්ලු. හිතන fail වුණාලු. හිතුවේ නැල්ලු. මේක true false or not given. ලෝකෙ හිතුවේ නැල්ලු මෙච්චර කල් වගේ. True, false or not? Yes. True, false or not given. World failed to think about unutilized crops to increase global food supply. ලෝක ආහාර සැපයීම වැඩි කරන්න අඩුවෙන් භාවිතා වෙච්ච සාම්ප්‍රදායික භෝග වර්ග ගැන ලෝකයේ හිතුවේ නැහැ කියලා කියනවා. ලෝකයේ හිතුවේ නැල්ලු. World failed to think. හිතන්න අසමත් වුණා. Is it true or false or not given? Not based on your knowledge according to passage. Yes? Yes? Not? Not given. This is not given. This is not given. There is no anything about that. මෙන්න මෙතන පොඩි වාක්‍යයක් තියෙනවා. We should not forget. අපි අමතක කරන්න හොඳ නෑ කියලා කියනවා. මොකද්ද? Importance of traditional unutilized crops to feed the world. ලෝකය පෝෂණය කරන්න ඒ භෝග ගැන අපි අමතක කරන්න හොඳ නෑ කියනවා මිසක් ලෝකේ ෆේල් වුණ කතාව මෙතන නුත් නෑ. Right. Look at the last one. Agricultural sector is important for both rich and poor countries. Agricultural sector is important for both rich and poor countries. not given, or true or false. Look at the statement. Agriculture sector is important for both rich and poor countries. Both rich and poor countries. What is your answer? True. What is your answer? Not given. Why not given? Why not given? Both rich and poor කතා මෙතන කරත නෑ. ඒ නිසා not given. එහෙමද? ඔය කරා. ඒකනේ හේතුවනේ. right. Okay. For you, why it is true? Yes, it says any country, agriculture is considered as one of the most important section of the economy of any country. Any country means both rich and poor. And this is true. This is true. දැන් ඉෂාන් තේරෙනවද? can you understand? මේක මේ වචනෙන් මල්ලගෙන කරන්න පුළුවන් වැඩක් නෙමෙයි. අපි තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන කියන එක. to understand what it says and then we have to decide. I think with number of this kind of practical applications and explanations and number of exercises what you completed today from the morning, now you got reasonable understanding on yes or not given questions. So that is very much important, this type of questions. If you succeed this, I will give you time to write down this. If you succeed this, that will be your great success. Even whether you are expecting low band score below 6, even you are expecting high band score above 6, something super high band score above 8, these yes, no, not given questions are important, irrespective of whether you are doing IELTS academic or general. So please try to improve your knowledge and thinking on how to answer this kind of question very solidly. That will ensure winning of your IELTS. Okay, thank you. Please write down this.